Is your Roblox mic not working? Here's how to fix it step by step. First, open Roblox settings in-game and go to the privacy tab. Make sure voice chat is enabled. Second, open your PC sound settings under input, select the correct microphone as default. Third, check if your mic is muted or its volume is too low. Increase the input level if needed. Fourth, go to Roblox app permissions in Windows or Mac settings and ensure microphone access is allowed. Fifth, if you're on Discord or another app, close them as they might be locking the microphone. Sixth, update your audio drivers through Device Manager or your manufacturer's website. Seventh, restart Roblox and try joining a voice chat enabled server to test. If it still doesn't work, reinstall Roblox or try another USB/headset mic. And that's how you fix Roblox mic not working. Quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.